I pulled out my secondary.
Hey, small. What? Nice to meet you.
The A-10 Thunderbolt II was the first U.S. Air Force aircraft developed after World War II, specifically for close air support of ground forces. It is a relatively simple jet aircraft, purpose-built for survivability, low-speed maneuverability, and lethal effectiveness against enemy armor. Nicknamed the Warthog, or simply Hog, the A-10 is best known for its iconic GAU-8/A Avenger 30mm rotary cannon, capable of firing nearly 4,000 rounds per minute. This powerful weapon makes it especially effective against tanks and armored vehicles. The aircraft is heavily armored and features redundant flight systems, allowing it to remain airborne even after sustaining significant battle damage. Its titanium bathtub protects the pilot, and its straight wing design allows it to fly low and slow, ideal for providing accurate support to troops on the ground. One of its standout technological features is the GAU-8/A Avenger cannon, a hydraulically driven 7-barrel Gatling-style autocannon. It is mounted slightly offset, but the entire aircraft is designed around this weapon. The gun is so powerful that it creates noticeable recoil when fired, yet the A-10's airframe absorbs the impact with ease. The aircraft is also equipped with advanced targeting and navigation systems, including a heads-up display, HUD, night vision capability, and laser targeting pods like the LITENINE or Sniper XR, which allow for precision strikes even in low visibility conditions. In more recent upgrades, many A-10s have been fitted with digital cockpit displays, GPS-guided weapons integration, and improved communication systems that allow real-time data sharing with ground forces and other aircraft. These upgrades have significantly extended the platform's operational relevance in modern warfare. The A-10 also features self-defense systems, including chaff and flare dispensers, radar warning receivers, RWR, and electronic countermeasures to evade enemy air defenses. Its engines are mounted high and widely spaced, making them less vulnerable to ground fire and allowing the aircraft to land and take off from damaged runways or forward operating bases. Despite its relatively slow speed compared to other jets, the A-10's robust design, powerful weaponry, and modern avionics make it a highly capable platform for supporting troops in combat zones.